Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on medical malpractice cases with the Levin Firm, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, understand the basics of medical malpractice. Research the specific laws in your state. Every state has different regulations regarding malpractice claims. Identify potential medical malpractice situations. These can include misdiagnosis, surgical errors, or medication mistakes. Consult with a qualified attorney at the Levin Firm. They have expertise in handling medical malpractice cases. Discuss your situation openly during the consultation. Provide all necessary medical records and documentation. Evaluate the strength of your case with the attorney. They will assess whether you have a valid claim. Consider the importance of gathering evidence. This can include witness statements or expert testimonies. Understand the costs associated with a medical malpractice case. Ask your attorney about fees and payment options. Look into contingency fee agreements. These allow you to pay only if you win your case. Take your time to review all legal documents. Ensure you fully understand what you're signing. Stay organized throughout the process. Keep all communication and records in one place. Be prepared for negotiations. Many cases are settled before going to trial. Discuss settlement options with your attorney. Weigh the pros and cons of accepting a settlement. Stay informed about the timeline of your case. Medical malpractice cases can take time to resolve. Follow up regularly with your attorney for updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.